Through the front license. What? What's up, CG family?
Welcome back to another video
where today we're actually doing the first mod, do you want to say, on the Frontier. Like, I don't know if you want to count the livery as the mod. It's our first modification back in Michigan. Let's put it at that. So here is the Frontier if you guys haven't seen it yet. It's a 2022 Nissan Frontier King Cab S. So it is the two-door. This is the livery that Grant and I put on the car while we were in California. And I know we need new wheels. Don't. We're gonna get those soon.
New wheels. These are the wheels for now, though.
Yeah, so these are the wheels for now. It's kind of hard finding wheels in this bolt pattern, which is a 6x5.5. But we found some, and they're gonna probably come in late next week.
Today, we're doing more things with the headlights. This headlight assembly is a reflective headlight assembly, meaning there is a bunch of mirrors in there, and you can actually see the bulb and it's exposed, as opposed to a projector headlight style where the bulb is inside of a projector lamp and they have a very crisp straight line. These headlights, the lens is already tinted on here, but we're gonna do something else.
Yeah, so since we tinted it, it does make the nighttime vision a little bit more dimmer than we'd like. So we decided to go to AutoZone yesterday actually and pick up some LEDs for it, and these are supposedly supposed to be plug and play. The reason why I said that was because we went to AutoZone yesterday and we asked, and they of course asked for our car and everything. We brought it up and they said, sorry, we don't have any lights available for that vehicle. So I'm like, can you just please search up the previous year? And so they searched up the previous year. They had a few in stock, so they pulled it out and they showed me, and I'm like, do you mind if I just take apart the box here before I purchase it? He's like, no, you can open it up here. So we opened them up and they matched exactly with the halogen lamp that we have.
Basically, so we removed the actual halogen bulb from the inside of the car, and we brought it inside of AutoZone, and it was the exact same harness.
Also, I do want to say we are recording this on Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. That's kind of why I have all my jewelry on and I'm pretty dressed up. So is Grant. So
what about the slides though?
Yeah, we don't talk about the slide, but that's kind of why I want to bring that up, because I feel like some people in the comments would be like, why is she dressed up working on a car right now? That's super weird.
Because we can.
Grant, I actually want to pull up the car in the garage just so they see the lights. So we can do a before and after real quick. So let's do that. We got to pull out this Ford Fusion first, and then we're gonna pull in the Frontier. And I've never even tried fitting the Frontier fully in the garage, so I guess it's gonna be a first for that as well. Okay. We just closed the garage, and let me show you what these halogens look like. So very yellow. They're pretty bright. They're not bad, but we just want brighter because we're part of the truck community, and that's what they like. They like blinding people.
We need a sunlight right there.
Yeah.
I'll show them again so you can see them right back to back with the new LED lights.
Yeah.
So these are halogens. These are actual bulb style.
They do, however, I will say they costed a lot at AutoZone. They costed $130. Now I feel like on Amazon you could probably find them for $60 for both bulbs, of course. So just be mindful of that. They are a little up there in price.
I got you, Christina.
So the great thing about these headlights is that we actually don't have to take the whole assembly off. It's a very easy access. It's actually right next to this air box over here, if you want to bring the camera. And it's super easy. I mean, like the 350 and all that, I'm pretty sure I had to take it off to really fit my hand in it. So it's quite a change now having to drive very high up. Major difference between a 350Z and a Frontier is what I'm trying to say. So I guess let's just quickly unlock it. All we have to do is unlock this ring. Bear with me after, oh, there we go. Super simple, there we go. Just like that. Oh yeah.
This is what was plugged in. We
already kind of unboxed it because at AutoZone we had to check, as I mentioned. They are covered by a bunch of foam, and you have the actual LED, some type of converter ballast. I always forget the name of this, and then the plug. There we go. That's a good comparison.
So this is the LED on my left, probably your right.
It actually has a cooling fan on it, of course, because these do kind of heat up. I know Grant has some LEDs in his Mustang, and every time I touched them, they would burn me, so they were pretty hot.
Who needs these anymore, right? Just throw them away.
I did have some trouble, honestly. We probably shouldn't be putting this foam in hot surfaces.
Careful, there's still LED in there.
It's okay, it's very insulated. I had some trouble, I'm not gonna lie, because it's a typical order that you're supposed to follow. So the wire's kind of getting in the way of this ring lock. The headlight So if it's not going one way, it has to go the other way, right?
That's what I'm thinking.
And I think I'm gonna take this off like that. And then it looks like this assembly actually might come off by twisting it. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna be putting this ring lock from up top. Gotta make sure it's going on the right way, like that. And then we are gonna bring this back here, twist it to lock it, and now we can put the assembly back in. And of course we do have a little bit more wire laying around than we initially did, so I'm gonna be zip tying this probably here somewhere, so it's not wobbling all over the place. And I believe that box has some zip ties in it, so you want to check?
Yes, ma'am. Well, that's Christina right. She was.
Okay,
these are the
great.
smallest zip ties I've seen in my life.
It's great for wiring.
Oh, yay, she found it.
I'm so excited to see the difference right now. We're gonna turn both of them on and see the difference. So you guys can see the LED actually right in there. Actually more. Okay, stop. All right. Through the front license. What? Did it hit it?
Yeah.
Actually? I don't think so.
Yes, it just...
I didn't see anything. What did it hit?
The whole car just shook.
If it hit it, the garage door would have flipped up.
I promise you it just...
Oh my gosh.
No!
What?
Don't let the garage back up.
No, I'm gonna close the light. Turn off the light.
I was gonna move the car up a little.
Well, we don't need to anymore.
Well, we're going to when we need to open the garage.
After. Okay, go.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
10.
Dude, go. Oh, shoot, it won't turn on. Oh, okay, you scared me. Oh, look at that difference. Wait, I'm a little confused. Oh yeah.
On what?
Nothing. Just looking, comparing. This is so much better.
This side actually is a lot harder to reach in because you have the whole battery right here. But it's doable, it's not bad.
We just installed both of them on right now, and now we're gonna pull out the truck. Well, actually, let's see if they're both aligned. I'm actually really curious. I hope they are. They look aligned. Yeah, not bad. Okay, cool. Yes, I have a radar detector in the front here, guys. Don't judge. But let's back up the truck real quick. But now I'm gonna be taking out the front license plate just because it's not needed in Michigan and it's like a California requirement. And I think it makes the front end look kind of bad. So let's go take it out. Here's the front end, and of course here is the front license plate and the front mount for it. Wow, if you guys made it throughout this video so far.
Yeah, and we may incorporate some nighttime shot into the vlog. We'll see if I remember to record some on my phone or not. Fairly cheap and makes quite a big difference for the amount of money.
Fairly cheap, it was $130.
I mean, $130, but the difference it makes in terms of the visuals of the car, I think is worth it.
Yeah, it definitely makes the car look a lot more up to date. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay in touch with us on our other social medias.
Bye!
That's my sister right there.